just wanted to make a quick video on basically of firmware update for the Ledger Nano S. So I had one of the Ledger Nano S, kind of very old, and I was just checking, and I had few coins over there, and I just wanted to make sure it's updated. And now you can use lot more apps in your Ledger, even if you have basically use tons of blockchain. So I was kind of going through, and maybe some people are probably trying to do that same things, and if you are trying to do the same thing, I'm gonna kind of go walk you through. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, comment below, right? So you will actually see, you can see that right in the yellow, firmware update to whatever the version. If you have the lower version, it will warn you, right? So I just clicked update firmware, and once you do that, it will identify. You have to basically click the button, and once you do that, right, it's identified, verify it, it will download, and once it download, it will identify. So you got to match all these numbers, right? So you will see in your Ledger. So this is, you will see identifier 1 of 4, that looks 595136, that looks good. A73, that looks good, and that 61 looks good. So once you do that, you can click on perform update, right? So once you click on perform update, seems like it's gonna ask you the pin. So I'm gonna be putting my pin. And it will process, right? Once you do that, it will process, and right now I'm already 59%. Yeah, and once you do that, you're just gonna open with the pin again, right? So you gotta put the pin few times, but basically this is all for your security. So I'm kind of putting my pin. So still pin and done. So yeah, firmware update complete. Now I will go to the app update. So once you have your firmware update, you can install the app, right? Like, so basically it has a lot of apps, like uh, basically it will ask you to allow Ledger. So you just click those two buttons. It just gives you instruction right here, right? So now you can see that mine firmware is up to date. Ledger Nano S 2.1, so that's the latest one. My capacity is 138. The capacity is really small, so Bitcoin itself is 62. So yeah, I don't think I can even install much. So what I'm gonna do is let's install let's install Ethereum. So I'm gonna install Ethereum. It will install Ethereum, so 50 KB. So I cannot install much. So you have this all those Cardano, Solana. So you have a lot of the coins, but space is a concern. So I'm just gonna install my Solana, right? Yep, this is installed. It will show you everything. So I have 88 KB free, so I can install, let's say, Solana, which is 100, oh no, Solana is 36 KB. So I can install that too. So it's installing, so you will see in your kind of laser, right, what app install, and you can interact. So it is installing, so I'll have two apps. I have used 86, I still have 52 kb free, so I cannot actually install a Bitcoin, right? So it's already grayed out, not enough storage. That's one of the things. They probably need to have few gig or for the storage. So that's it's really kind of very less storage, but Ethereum is installed, so I can install BNB. So BNB, I don't know. I want to see a Polygon. Oh, wow. Polygon is like just 2 KB, so I can probably have a lot in my Polygon, so I can do that. So install Polygon. Yep, that's pretty quick, and you can install a lot like AVAX, Tron, and whatnot, right? But it will show you don't have not enough space. But you get the idea, right? I have three apps. So now what I can do is if I go to my account, right? So I have Ethereum, I have this, right? If I want to do Solana, all you need to do is Sol. So Sol in Ethereum, 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 Ethereum. So open the Solana app, right? So basically it will ask you the open Solana app. Just application is already installed. If you just click both the button, it will synchronize your account. And okay, that's bummer. What the heck? Okay, this is weird. So this is a bug. Seems like they are printing out all the HTML, looks like. So okay, let me try again. Maybe Matic Polygon. So I'm gonna try to do the Polygon and see. Application is ready. It's hopefully I won't get that error. If not, maybe there's some bug. I will. So it is synchronizing. So hopefully it will give me the Polygon address, and I can get everything whatever I wanted for Polygon. So this is really safest way. Basically, if you are in DeFi, basically hardware wallet is the safest. Your key does not see. Now you have a new Polygon account, right? So I can write like RJ Polygon, right? So add account, right? So it is done. Polygon is account. So if you click, you want to do receive. This is does not have anything. Please send the Matic or ERC to the Polygon account. So either you can send Matic or ERC token, right? So continue. So it will. So this is my address, right? So it will show you verify address, like does it match, right? So if you click, it will show you uh, is the address like D5CC9, right? So if it's good, you just click like boom, you just click. Yep, address shared securely. So you just add it, right? So if you receive, same thing, right? Just copy and this is yours. So basically it will stay in your Ledger Nano apps, and that's it. Pretty simple, but a few people's had kind of issues. So if anybody is having issue, let me know. But that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have questions, let me know. Thank you, thanks, and bye.